Number 5. Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, S580 and S680. What happens when a luxury sedan becomes as luxurious as a private jet? The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class answers by elevating the iconic S-Class to an even higher plane of opulence. Two powertrains headline the 2026 lineup, the S580, which uses a mild hybrid 4.0-liter biturbo V8 producing 496 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque, reaching 0-60 mph in 4.7 seconds. And the S680, whose 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 delivers 621 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque with a 0-60 mph time of 4.3 seconds. Both models prioritize smooth, effortless acceleration over outright aggression, and the engines whisper rather than roar. Step inside and you enter a different world. The executive rear seat package transforms the back of the car into a first-class suite. Two 12-way power rear seats recline up to 43 degrees and include massage, ventilation, and neck heating. Rear seat armrests and door panels are heated for extra comfort. The seats even have a built-in calf massage. Between them lies a refrigerated compartment for chilled drinks and a pair of fold-out tables for dining or working. The digital experience is equally impressive. A 12.8-inch OLED central touchscreen houses Mercedes' latest MBUX system, while the driver enjoys a 12.3-inch instrument display with 3D graphics. Rear passengers can control climate, seat settings, and media via MBUX rear tablet devices or by using voice commands. Hey Mercedes. A Burmester 4D sound system features 30 speakers and 8 resonators, generating vibrations in the seats to immerse occupants in music. Augmented reality navigation overlays directions onto a head-up display, projecting arrows onto the road ahead. One of the S-Class's most innovative touches is the door comfort package, allowing passengers to open or close doors by voice or by motion sensors. Active ambient lighting pulses in sync with the music or highlights driver assistance alerts. An air balance system subtly diffuses bespoke fragrances through the cabin. Safety and technology also go hand in hand. The Maybach includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, active collision avoidance, adaptive high beams, and active parking assist. The car can navigate traffic jams with semi-autonomous driving, though laws in most states still require the driver to keep hands on the wheel. Why choose the S580 over the S680 or vice versa? The V8 variant is slightly more fuel efficient and still brutally quick, while the V12 adds 2 extra cylinders of smoothness and the prestige of owning a 12-cylinder engine. Either way, the Maybach S-Class aims to deliver silent, effortless travel for passengers who prefer to be chauffeured, making it a definitive statement of success.